Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete uploaded photos in Canva. What you need to do. First, just go to Canva and log into your account, and then you can open any projects. Okay, for example, if I go here, YouTube, thumbnail. After that, click Uploads. And you see here images. If I want to delete this one, just tick and then click move to trash and then move to trash. But just keep in mind that the image will be restored from the from the trash in the next 30 days. Move the trash. If you want to delete more than one photo at the same time, just click here and then tick, tick, tick. After that, now we will delete 4 at the same time. After that, move to trash. But if you want to move the photos permanently, then just go back and then go to click trash and then click images. You see here the image. Now if you want to delete it permanently, just click the 3 dots and then delete from trash. Delete from trash. And here is the same. Click the 3 dots and then delete from trash and then delete from trash. This is what you need to do if you want to delete uploaded photos in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.